Hi, I'm Emily, the lead visual designer here at Rogers Gardens, and I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Halloween tablescape. So first I'm going to put down this beautiful terracotta colored tablecloth. I have it just a plain solid color because I want to add more color and texture on top of it. Next I'm putting down a laser cut runner that has like some greens and some of that warmer terracotta salmon colored tones that really just makes the table pop. And then we have these beautiful sisal placemats. I kind of love how it's a little bit rustic, has this nice fringe on it, and just adds that black color that I want to put on my table, mixed with this kind of beautiful warm orangey color. Then next, my plates being placed down. And to continue with a Halloween theme, I have these really cute plates that have a vintage design on it. I love how Halloween, there's a lot of whimsy to it, so I want to incorporate that in my table. And next I'm adding my matching terracotta napkins and adding this really pretty bamboo gold napkin ring to it and just putting it right next to my plates. My favorite part about this table is one of our original design pieces that was made in-house from our design department. This is a lady slipper that has a beautiful little eyeballs to it with some eyelashes, and this is all hand done in-house, and it's perfect for my Halloween table. And because this is a special occasion, I want to add some really unique and pretty glassware pieces. This is a snake body holding up a martini glass. I think using unique glassware is so much fun. It has a little skull in its mouth, and it mimics perfectly with the little snake I have in the front of my arrangement. And I love how the texture of this scales show through. And then I'm going to add this pretty champagne glass with a really subtle gold rim to it just to get that pop of that metallic. So when I think of Halloween, I think of a lot of candles, this beautiful lit ambiance. So I want to add candlesticks to my table. And we have these elegant gold brass candlesticks that kind of have this organic wood look to that. Looks like little twigs, which I think are so beautifully done. And have a couple sizes. I have a small and a large. And I just want to tuck them in. And then adding these really cute web with a little spider in here, candlesticks, but I also want to keep that orange punch and mix and match my candlesticks. Next, just placing my silverware and some last minute decorative touches. With Halloween, of course, we think orange and black. And if we do have that here within this table, but I do like to have that real bright pop of a metallic color. I think it gives it a little bit more interest. And I think a lot of the texture between the laser cut runner, the placemat, even the napkin rings, almost looks like a little bone. I think just makes your table more interesting to look at and really just gives a fun, unique atmosphere. One thing too, because I'm putting my napkin right next to where the fork would go, because usually it's fork, knife, and spoon, I'm actually going to slip it into right underneath my napkin ring. Of course, we have to add a skull somewhere. It mimics my glass with the snake on it, but we just need a little nod of a skeleton. One of my favorite things to do when you have friends and family over for a meal, I'd love to give them a little gift. And this is a cute little Halloween bucket. It's a sweet vintage cat. This is a great idea. You could put some dried flowers into it so it doesn't get ruined with water. You can put some candy treats. Candy corn is always really fun and popular this time of year. So it's just something very unique and sweet for your guests. A special touch to make this table super cozy is to add some blankets on the backs of the chairs. It has this really cute skeleton on it stitched. It's actually black and white on the inside, so you can make it reversible, but it's just something to keep everybody warm and cozy. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to build your own Halloween tablescape. This is a really fun time of year, so be whimsical, mix and match, have a great time with it. There's so much you can do. Be sure to follow us on all our social media platforms, and if you like this video and want to see more videos from us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to sign up for our preferred program so you can catch all the emails that we're sending out, just so you can stay in the loop of all the wonderful things we're doing here at Rogers. I'm Emily. Thank you so much for watching this. Happy Halloween!